Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain some more examples in functions, like how to push the elements in array using the function and how to print the some elements, array elements using the for loop. Like that, I will explain in this video. So for that, first I am taking one file, javascript file. So functions.js, like that I'm taking. So first I'm taking one empty array, like let array equal to empty array. Now the first step is I need to push hello world 5 times in my this array. So for that, first just I am taking one function here. So the function name is function1, like that I am taking. Okay, so this function1, it will return some hello world, like that. Hello world. Okay, so now I need to push this hello world 5 times in my array. So for that I am taking one for loop. So why for loop means, so it will iterate the elements now. So for every iteration I need to push this hello world in my array. So for that, for iteration I am taking let I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. I already explained this for loop, how it will work. Please go through my videos if anyone having doubts regarding this. Now, see, let I equal to 0, I less than 5. So, 0 less than 5. It is true, right? So, if it is true, then it will come inside the loop. Then if it is false, then it will come outside the loop. It will go outside the loop. Okay. So, first here, I am taking array dot push. So if you want to add some elements, then you can use push, right? I already explained push, pop, shift and unshift methods. So here I am taking push. So array dot push. What I am push? This function one output. So for that, how to call this function one? Using the function name, right? So what is the function name here? Function one. You need to put parenthesis here. If you not put this parenthesis, then entire function definition, it will be stored into array. So I need to print this hello world, right? So that's why you need to call this function one. So array dot push, in the first iteration, this hello world is stored into array. I will show you. Just I am consoling array now. Console dot log of array. See, after every iteration, I am just consoling the array. See, I am just saving my file. How to execute this JavaScript file? Just select the command prompt mode. Then use the command like node space. What is the file name here? Functions, right? So just give your file name. See, in the first iteration, I am getting the hello world. One time I am getting. Now, so after every first iteration, this third part, it will be executed, right? What is the third part? I plus plus. So the I value, it will be increment, right? So previously the I value is 0. Now the I value is 1. So 1 means now again checking the condition here. See, I equal to 1, I less than 5 means 1 less than 5. So it is true, right? Now again array dot push function 1 means now again this hello world is stored into array 2 times. Why? Because So the I value is 1, right? So 0 and 1. So 2 times 2 iteration happens. That's why in the second console I am getting the 2 times hello world is 2 times print in array, right? So now in the third iteration I am getting the 3 hello worlds. In the fourth iteration I am getting the 5 hello worlds. Okay. See, in the first iteration I am getting 1 hello world. In the second iteration 2, and third iteration 3, and fourth iteration 4, and fifth iteration 5 hello worlds I am getting, right? How it will work? So in the first iteration I value 0, 0 less than 5 means it is true, right? So that's why the first the function 1 is the hello world is stored into array. Now in the second iteration I value 1, so 1 less than 5 means so it is true, right? So that's why again in the second iteration array dot push function 1. So in the second iteration also hello world is stored into array. So again the third iteration, now the I value it will increment, right? So I value is 2, 2 less than 5 means it is true, right? So it will come inside the loop and hello world is free. Now the I value it will be incremented. So I equal to 4, right? So 4 less than 5. It is true, right? So array dot push function 1. Now again hello world it will be stored into array. And finally now high value it will be increment, right? So the final value is 5. So 5 less than 5. It is false, right? So that's why it comes outside the loop. Okay. See, for the understanding purpose, I am consoling here. Now I am just consoling this outside. See, if it is false, then it will come outside the loop and the array value is free. Now I am just saving my file. See, I am getting the 5 hello worlds in the array. Now I need to print this array element. So in the first step, I am pushing the hello world into array, right? Now the second step is I need to print these array elements. So for that, I am taking one more for loop. Here I am taking j equal to 0, j less than array dot length. So what is the length of array? So how many elements are there? 5 elements are there, right? So the count is 5, right? So that's why the length is 5. Now j plus plus. So here I am just consoling the console.log of array of j of 0. See, I am just consoling the j of 0 means, sorry, you just give like array of j. Okay. So array of j means, see here I am taking first j equal to 0, right? So j less than array dot length. So what is the array length? 5 na? So 0 less than 5 means it is true, right? So it will come inside the loop console.log of array of j. What is the j value here? 0, right? So array of 0. Array of 0 means what is the element in the 0th location of array? Hello world, right? So array index start from 0, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am having the 4 locations from 0 onwards, right? So in the 0th location, I am having the hello world. In the first location, second location, third location, fourth location also, I am having the hello world. So that's why in the first iteration, the array of j means array of 0, it will print. So in the second iteration, now j value it will be increment, right? So after every iteration, so now j value is 1. So 1 less than, what is the array length? 5. So 1 less than 5, it is true. Console the log of array of j. So array of 1, right? So 1 means hello world. Now then again j value it will be increment, right? So we will see the output once, then we can understand. I'm just saving my file. See, I am getting the hello world 5 times. How? See, using this for loop. So now in the 0th location, so in the first iteration, array of 0, right? So array of 0 value free. Now in the first iteration, array of 1, right? Sorry, now the j value is 1, right, in the second iteration. So array of 1 means this hello world is free. In the first location, I am getting this hello world, right? So that value free. Now in the third iteration, the j value is 2, right? So 2 less than array dot length. So 2 less than 5, it is true, right? So it will come inside the loop. So array of 2 means in the second location I am having the hello world, na? So hello world value is free. Now again the j value it will be increment. So previously the j value is 2, na? Now the j value is 3. So j less than arrow dot length. So what is the j value? 3. 3 less than 5. It is true, right? So it is come inside the loop and console that log array of 3. So array of 3 means in the third location I am getting the hello world, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3. In the third location I am having the hello world, na? So the hello world value is free. Now after the third iteration, so after the next iteration, the j value it will be increment, right? So previously the j value is 3. Now the j value is 4. So 4 less than 5. It is true, right? It will come inside the loop and console the log of array of 4. So array of 4 means in the fourth location I am having the hello world. So hello world value is 3. So this is the way to console the like something hello world like that. So using the function keyword. So in the first step I am pushing this hello world into array using the for loop. So in the second step I am just consoling these array elements. Okay, now I need to print this array element after 5 seconds, not in time. So after 5 seconds I need to print. So for that we are having the set timeout function in JavaScript. So set timeout. So this set timeout it allows one arrow function. So this is the arrow function. This is the syntax of set timeout. So here you need to mention the timeout here. So I am giving the 5000 means 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, I am consoling this array elements. See, we'll see the different. I am just saving my file. After every 5 seconds, this arrow function it will be executed. In this arrow function, I am just consoling the array. I did not take any parameters in this arrow function, so I am just consoling the array here. Okay, see array of j, right? You need to give array of j. See after 5 seconds, this array elements it will be free. See, I am just saving my file. See 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See after 5 seconds I am getting the array elements. Did you observe this one? See now again I am run this command. See, firstly I am getting the first console, then it will take some time. After 5 seconds I am getting this array elements. Now one more example is, if you want to execute this for loop for every 2 seconds, not after 5 seconds, for every 2 seconds I need to print this console, this console, I mean console level of array of j is there na. So I need to print this array elements after every 2 seconds. We'll see. I will explain. See, we are having one set interval. So here I am taking just 2 seconds. So for every 2 seconds, the console.log array of j, this line it will be execute. See, I am just saving my file. See, run this command node function. See, for 2 seconds hello world print. Again 2 seconds hello world print. Again 2 seconds. See, for every 2 seconds the array elements are print, right? So the infinity number of times it will print. So for every 2 seconds, if you want to execute something for every 2 seconds, then you can use set interval. Like if you want to execute something after 5 seconds or after 2 seconds, then you can use set timeout. So this is the difference between set timeout and set interval. If you want to execute after like something after 2 seconds, so like after 5 seconds like that, then you can use set timeout, or else for every 2 seconds if you want to execute something, then you can use set interval. So this is the some examples in function. In the next video I will explain some more examples in this functions. Okay, we'll meet you in next session. Thank you friends. Bye bye.